Episode 7. Difficulty finding romantic partners. Men who have experienced maternal neglect, abandonment, or a lack of secure attachment during childhood often struggle to form healthy romantic relationships as adults. A mother is typically the first female attachment figure, and disruptions in this bond can profoundly influence how men perceive and interact with women later in life. The inability to confront unresolved feelings toward their mothers can lead to difficulties in trust, emotional intimacy, and communication with potential partners. Supportive evidence. Attachment theory. Men with insecure attachments, particularly avoidant or anxious ambivalent styles, often have trouble navigating the emotional complexities of romantic relationships. They may fear closeness or become overly dependent, mirroring the dynamics of their childhood relationships. Study example. Research by Hazan and Shaver, 1987, shows that early attachment experiences strongly predict adult relationship patterns, with insecurely attached individuals struggling the most in forming stable partnerships. Trust and misogyny. Men who harbor unresolved anger or resentment toward their mothers may unconsciously project these feelings onto other women, leading to mistrust or even misogynistic attitudes. These beliefs create barriers to establishing meaningful connections. Real-life example. Studies exploring incel, involuntary celibate communities reveal that unresolved childhood trauma, particularly related to maternal neglect, is a common underlying factor for distrust and frustration toward women. Fear of rejection. A history of maternal emotional unavailability may foster a deep-seated fear of rejection in men, preventing them from pursuing romantic relationships or causing them to withdraw prematurely at signs of conflict. Supportive insight. Research by Main et al., 1985, on the adult attachment interview highlights how unresolved trauma with primary caregivers impacts relational behavior. Consequences. These difficulties often perpetuate a cycle of loneliness and frustration, leading some men to retreat into isolation or blame external factors for their struggles. This inability to connect romantically further exacerbates feelings of inadequacy and emotional pain.